Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt that pressure to live a more sustainable life? But then you look at all the advice out there and it just feels overwhelming. Like you have to completely overhaul your entire existence overnight. Well, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that complicated. Making a big impact often starts with small, simple changes. Today, we're going to break it down and explore 10 incredibly easy and affordable swaps you can make in your daily routine to create a greener, more eco-friendly lifestyle. These are changes anyone can make, and trust me, they add up. So, if you're ready to make a positive change without the stress, let's get started. First up, let's talk about something we all use every single day: the humble toothbrush. Billions of plastic toothbrushes end up in landfills and oceans each year, where they take hundreds of years to break down. The simple swap: a bamboo toothbrush. Bamboo is a fantastic sustainable resource. It's one of the fastest growing plants on Earth, and it's biodegradable. When you're done with your toothbrush, you can simply pluck out the nylon bristles with pliers and compost the handle. It's such a small change in your morning routine, but it makes a big difference. Swap number 2 is in the kitchen. Ditch the plastic wrap for reusable beeswax wraps. Plastic wrap is single-use, non-recyclable, and a major contributor to plastic pollution. Beeswax wraps, on the other hand, are made from cotton, beeswax, jojoba oil, and tree resin. You just use the warmth of your hands to mold them over a bowl, a piece of fruit, or a sandwich. They're washable, reusable for up to a year, and fully compostable at the end of their life. They keep your food just as fresh, if not fresher, because they're breathable. It's a fantastic way to reduce plastic waste in your kitchen. For our third swap, we're staying in the kitchen and tackling paper towels. We go through rolls and rolls of them for spills and cleaning. The sustainable alternative is to switch to reusable cloth towels or Swedish dishcloths. You can use old t-shirts cut into rags, or buy a set of microfiber cloths. Swedish dishcloths are amazing. They're like a cross between a sponge and a paper towel, can absorb 20 times their weight in liquid, and can be washed and reused hundreds of times. At the end of their life, they're compostable. You'll not only save trees but also a surprising amount of money over time. Okay, swap number 4 is for all my fellow coffee and tea lovers. Those disposable coffee cups might seem like paper, but most are lined with a thin layer of plastic, which makes them very difficult to recycle. The solution is simple and stylish: a reusable coffee cup or travel mug. There are so many options out there: glass, stainless steel, collapsible silicone ones. Just keep one in your bag, one in your car, or one at your desk. Many coffee shops even offer a small discount for bringing your own cup. It's a win for the planet and a win for your wallet. Next up, at number 5, let's talk about shopping bags. By now, many of us are used to bringing reusable bags to the grocery store, which is fantastic. But let's take it a step further and ditch those flimsy plastic-produced bags. You know, the ones you use for your apples, broccoli, and potatoes. A great swap is a set of reusable mesh-produced bags. They're lightweight, washable, and allow the cashier to see exactly what's inside. You can buy them or even make your own if you're crafty. It's another simple step to cut down on single-use plastics during your shopping trip. Swap number 6 moves us into the bathroom. Let's talk about bottled liquid soap and shampoo. Think about how many plastic bottles of hand soap, body wash, and shampoo you go through in a year. A brilliant and luxurious swap is to switch to solid bars. Shampoo bars, conditioner bars, and good old-fashioned soap bars have come a long way. They work just as well as their liquid counterparts, last much longer, and come with minimal, often paper-based, packaging. They're also perfect for travel since you don't have to worry about liquid restrictions. At number 7, we're tackling another kitchen staple: the plastic dish sponge. Most kitchen sponges are made of plastic and are breeding grounds for bacteria. They get thrown out frequently, adding to landfill waste. A much greener alternative is a wooden dish brush with replaceable heads, or a loofah or coconut scourer. These are made from natural plant-based materials. The handles are reusable, and the heads or the whole scourer can be composted when they wear out. They work just as effectively for scrubbing pots and pans, but without the plastic waste. Our 8th swap is all about hydration. Plastic water bottles are one of the most common forms of plastic pollution found in our oceans and on our beaches. The easiest swap in the world is to invest in a reusable water bottle. Find one you love, stainless steel, glass, one with a built-in filter, and make it your constant companion. Refilling it from the tap is practically free, and so much better for the environment. If you're concerned about tap water quality, Consider a water filter pitcher for your home. This habit alone can prevent hundreds of plastic bottles from entering the waste stream each year. For swap number 9, let's talk about laundry. Conventional liquid laundry detergents often come in huge plastic jugs and can contain harsh chemicals. A fantastic sustainable swap is to use laundry detergent sheets or strips. These are pre-measured, dehydrated sheets of detergent that dissolve completely in the wash. They come in a small, recyclable cardboard box, which drastically reduces plastic waste and shipping emissions because they're so lightweight and compact. They work in all machine types, for both hot and cold water, and are incredibly convenient. No more messy spills or heavy jugs to lug around. And finally, our 10th simple swap is about our cleaning supplies. Instead of buying multiple plastic bottles of specialized cleaners, one for glass, one for countertops, one for floors, you can make your own all-purpose cleaner. A simple mixture of white vinegar and water in a reusable spray bottle works wonders for most surfaces. You can add a few drops of essential oil, like lemon or tea tree, for a nice scent and extra antibacterial properties. It's incredibly cheap, effective, and completely eliminates the need to buy all those plastic bottles of chemical-laden cleaners. So there you have it, 10 simple, effective, and affordable swaps for a greener lifestyle. Remember, it's not about being perfectly zero waste overnight. It's about making conscious choices and starting small. Pick one or two of these swaps to try this week and see how it feels. Every little change you make contributes to a larger, positive impact on our planet. You have the power to make a difference, one swap at a time. What are some of your favorite sustainable swaps? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on simple, sustainable living. See you in the next one.